6 basic things and tips for first-timers sa international travel na wala sa domestic. Yung pang-anim for sure need mo talaga. First on the list is of course ang passport. You cannot fly internationally nang walang valid passport na at least 6 months before ang expiration. Yes, hindi po kayo makakalipad kahit may passport po kayo pero less than 6 months na lang is expired na. Additional info also is kapag damage yung passport nyo, especially yung information page, is invalid na rin to. So check nyo mabuti. Second is travel tax. Outbound passenger need to pay the travel tax worth 1,620 pesos for tourists in economy class and 2,700 when you are in business class. There is a booth for every airport na may international flight. Just be sure hindi pa ito included sa ticket na nabook mo to avoid duplicate since hindi na ito marirefund. Next on the list is immigration. Yes, you need to go through an immigration officer prior leaving the country. They are the one to interview you for the details on what will you do and check the requirements that you have if kaya mo talaga mag-tourist on that country or you have hidden agenda. Answer all the questions that they ask. Additional tip is kung ano lang tanong, yun lang ang sasagutin and don't add other answers na hindi naman related sa tanong. Basic questions na na-encounter ko based on experience are saan pupunta, anong gagawin, gaano katagal, saan nag-work. You need to provide documents to support your answers if hihingin lang. Remember, kapag hinihingi lang, just stay calm if you are saying the truth. Follow for part 2 mga brother and sister. Bye!